Oh, Ghana ma, Papa no, Mama no, any Enyanum Ghana for. Ye femi Akosia. Me a Ghanaian, me a pharmacist by profession. Na avia kakra me ye, efa intokwa a ekoso ewo social media. Omo didi atem. Omo threaten others. Ni nyina efa vaccine ya. Ye started use to Ghana since last week. Drone FN Mascarex. Nidim baako LTS S. Nidim baako bio LTS S candidate. Sadroway Europe by a drug company called GlaxoSmithKline. Sa company our branch our US. Now the Sadroway Europe. And to calibrate air costo a fat vaccine ho say a BC say or far a far and a macola or and now will be woo. A busy say a be aquaji who's the candy, eating a negative a busy say a be macoji who's the candy, eating almost per se a use a druno or Ghana. Na mesrani say yemfa politics ento enchen. So ye NDC, so ye NPP. Ye nyina ni yimu ene ye hwehwe no. Na mesa masrani say se bibi ni a yenka mo no kre enche atiefo. Eba ne saa Emma onya akuna otie no make sound assessment and decision. Mascarex a vaccine approved is not FDA approved, not in Europe, not in the US, and nowhere in the world. Now company say a company has spent about 30 years studying those medications. It has gone through phases 1 through 3. Nina yeyewo Africa. Countries are not Ekaho Burkina Faso, Gabon, Ghana, Kenya, Malawi, Mozambique, and Tanzania. Nentia omoye steady Africa. Obi bebisa adedi na Europe for aye adro no de omo hode ye nyuso. Nentia ye yuso adro Africa ne say mosquito na cause malaria no Africa enewo. Omo Asia efa China no mo na keka ka ho no India and South America e ho so malaria ho. Nanso Enya mosquito na cause malaria Ukraine or Africa no. Enya the same mosquito and cause malaria ho. Na sa particular adrowe ndie yayama Africa mosquito. Phase 3 studies normal year. A drone proved to be 30 to 56% effective. Normally, or ideally, if you said a drink, a cup, somewhere around 100%. Studies. Kind of say, use now almost so Ghana hosting say, for study. If any implementation studies. To send a medical canon. Europe for approval are going to be used in Europe. Now so agency be committee, a friend of Medicinal Products for Human Use, a committee of the European Medicine Agency, EMA. On my church for no akomutia bomuse, surface 3 studies no mo ye no. A drone proved to be partially effective. Enti yen enyusu a drone through studies. Emma enipa a omo baby a sayari wo. Na yen she say ebetumi approve successful. Oma modified kakra. Ebetumi approve successful. Ama Africa enkwala. Titru. Enkwala omwadi omuni emfie no. Nenti a ye yusu ama enkwala omwadi omuni emfie no ne say sa studies bebre na omo aye deda. Omo yusu ma enkwala omwadi na oche insia ekosi na oche dumiye no. Ena enkwala omwadi abosumi num ekosi abosumi dunso. Omo hu se enkwala na omwadi fi na oche miensa ekosi na oche dumiye no, which is 3 months no. Adrono prove that well successful. Efficacy rate no was like 25%. Nemo mo enkwala no a omwadi abosumi num eko abosumi dunso die na adrono eje wo mo na so enuru 100% wa ipese eko 80 to 100% wo yenuru hono na ayi ba ko so mo hu ye ne se enkwala no so mo anyi nkakra no na adrono etimi emebinya seizure. When you add into a swore, just an Americano, and what fun already abosumi enum, Hoka abosumi do so now, almost a try vaccine, so through studies no. Adrono edgeo compared to and Keton already now watching in senior echo now watching do no. Nemo a yika crab when say, Omono madi abosumi num ekokanjonsono. Imoka kra inya seizures. Overall, there are 4,500 and something patients now omoji vaccine. Imobe se ewoche inya meningitis. Meningitis is inflammation of the meninges. Ewo brain meaning sana mechanic chi. No amonye sure say a drone and a course because almost compared to almost a drone at the same almost the same age no. Omono omubia and meningitis no through the study period no. Omono omoje vaccine no. Out of 358 patients. Imumochi in a young meningitis. Now, so almost to me and link meningitis to the vaccine. And to implementation studies now almost yes is organ and I started. One of the reasons or the purpose of this study is that you be share vaccine a cause of meningitis and the year 2015 and kwala omwedi less than 5 years omunya malaria more than 300,000 in a year. It is our implementation studies. A year part one share a few months and say. And kwala almost any vaccine versus and kwala almost budget vaccine. Emu ina umbiu efi malaria mo. Ye compare se so je vaccine ya eboa sinse wanye vaccine na eboa. Eyi ba kwa ehwehwe mu no. And I said a year so more shown say. Essence meningitis na emu enipa enwotwe enya ya nanso no omantimi an link it into the link it with the vaccine. Say no. All person mo hwehwe say ampase sa vaccine e cause sa meningitis. And it based on sa enema miense yo mo hwehwe. Se ni na prove successful. Na fi aduro no ya to ama Africa bia sa mosquito e cause malaria ho no bi agiri. Omo se enema bi a ebetumi apie efremu no yempe so we benya seizure but also omo munya seizures ni meningitis omo bi eni ho a owu ye ansina global market no esi ye yesterday yesterday fi se bi emu aso ehwe se enku omo na fi dia be nipa so se se ye use phase 3 studies 2 and 3 studies ye use onipa mu enum ni nya sa results ya se se eye adwuma ma enkwala omo adi abosomi insia ekodun so no eye adwuma ma omo yi sen nketwe awo se ye sa studies 3 ye ba ye so a baby asa yare no wono eho ne bitumi ye sa studies 3 entina say ewo Ghana na emom na enye wo ho ne se yen kamu no kre enkyere atiefo emomwa make of decision emu no kre na make can say ye be can the good side of the medication and the bad side of the medication ni amo nipa no adwen ho I make your assessment and decision fair. Okay, so let's read a tea dear. Make up a trash. Vaccine. Yeah, it is not my kind of 4 doses. Already first dose, second dose. After first dose, no. Bosumi ekino adi second dose. Bosumi ekino asadi third dose. Now, if you're watching about 15 to 18 months, now I got 12 doses. We are the 12 doses, and boy, and I say more. A year back, me ready a many annual home, and also a year no quarry any misleading information, and it said. FDA Iowa Ghana say omo attest a dre approve a drone. It's okay to go. And you're not correct. For any agency or pharmaceutical company to test a medication, there should be a benchmark. Benchmark in this case, a vaccine be a approval which is on the market. Approval successful in treating or preventing malaria. There's no vaccine in this world approval preventing and treating malaria to date. Say near no vaccine ye so organic approval. There's no benchmark over baby a bit me a Ghana FDA. A test here dream. Almost test here a dear benchmark and a damn vaccine or market here, almost compared to. Question is in the exam. Into where the chairman said and then when so information and you're quite misleading. And you're not correct. And church more way in here. Into the message, no. Ne one talk on the call back and forth no. Yen traso na yen hwe sena vaccine e betumi aboa ama obia nkwala aiwa Africa obia nya bi say no 3 countries and omo yesa implementation studies Malawi, Kenya and Ghana. Now my question back on some maybe sana say a drobia so what try the first couple of days no, and now you experience the side effects of the medication. And dear bed reservation in the Yamiki, Ghana. Nobody knows. I don't know. Maybe there's something I don't know, but there should be something to prevent enemies harm. And you know, Ghana for Yankee a comment to you. No more, na makafa dream home, on the Pacific Common, Omunkom. Na Ghana paying for some more information. In fact, said Minister of Health, more information, more. The bad side, both the bad side and the good side of the vaccine. Na obi NTS and the massive degree. Bye.